Welcome to Teach You Academy. Everything here is for educational purpose only. And today's topic, we're going to discuss debt to income versus credit score. Debt to income versus credit score. Debt to income ratio. Definition: percentage of your gross monthly income that goes toward debt payments. The formula: debt to income equals totally monthly debt. Divide that into your grossly monthly income, and you times that by 100. So your purpose shows lenders your repayment capacity. Impact: high debt to income, higher risk for lenders, possible loan denial, or higher interest. Credit score impact: none directly. Credit score definition: a three-digit number ranging from 300 to 850, measuring credit worthiness based on credit report data. Factors: payment history 35%, credit utilization 30%, length of credit history 15%, credit mix 10%, new credit 10%. The purpose: shows lenders how reliable you repay your debts. Impact: high score equals better loan terms and approvals. Key differences: measures: debt to income equals debt versus income. Credit score equals credit risk history. Based on DTI uses income plus debt payments. Credit scores uses credit reported data. Direct score impact: DTI equals none, credit score yes. Lenders use DTI equals ability to pay, credit score equals willingness and history to pay. Ideal range: DTI is less than 36%, credit score is 670 plus, which is good, and or 740, which is excellent. How they work together. High score, but high debt to income, possible denial due to being overextended. Low DTI, but low credit score, possible denial due to unreliable repayment history. Best loan terms, low DTI plus high credit score. Tips to improve both. Lower DTI, pay down debt, refinance, increase income. Raise credit score, pay on time, lower utilization. You want to be under 30%. Keep old accounts, avoid unnecessary new credit. Monitor progress. Use free tools for score tracking and DTI calculators for ratio tracking. Summary. We talked about the DTI, which is debt to income ratio. We talked about your credit score. We talked about the key differences, how they work together, tips to improve both. This is Teach You Academy, and this is for educational purpose only.